Welcome to another simple dad Capcut tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how to create the cloned freeze frame effect on Capcut. If you're new here, please subscribe to see more videos like this, and don't forget to like this video. So in this effect, you'll see your subject walk into a series of clone and make it alive. So let me show you how to do this. So for this, you'll need Capcut. You can get this in your App Store or your Google Play Store. It's completely free of charge. That is the app here, Capcut. It's a video editor. Once you've downloaded it, go ahead and open the app. Now I'll tap on New Project here. Now I'll tap on a video which I've downloaded from the internet. So I have a video of this person here walking by. So it seems like a very normal video. So now let's add the clone freeze frame effect on this video. So to do this, you need to select the video. Next, you want to tap on Style here at the bottom. Now once that comes up, you want to scroll all the way to the left and you're looking for freeze frame here. So in the first one, it'll leave a trail, while in the second one, it'll pick up all the pieces. So go ahead and tap on it. Give it some time while the effect is added to your clip. And now just play your video, and as you can see, you've got a series of freeze frames here, which the subject is basically walking into. So this works really well if the video is shot from the side. So after you've added the effect, you can basically export the image by tapping on Export here at the top right, and that will export the video to your phone library. And that is how to create the clone freeze frame effect on Capcut. If this video is helpful, then please subscribe to see more videos like this. If you have any other questions, then please do let me know in the comment section down below. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.